How to generate futuristic city in Stylar AI. Open Chrome. Search Stylar.ai. Click on New Project. Click on Text to Image. Choose Realistic Style. Here you can write your prompt. Generate a visually compelling and conceptually rich image that depicts a futuristic cityscape with advanced technology integrated seamlessly into the urban environment. Consider incorporating elements such as sustainable architecture, autonomous vehicles, and innovative energy solutions. The image should evoke a sense of progress, harmony, and a vision for a technologically advanced future. Click on Stylarize. Wait a minute. Boom, check the result.